Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Nearby Share needs both. On your laptop, open Settings, search Nearby Share and turn it on. Set visibility to everyone or contacts so the other device can detect you. Once done, open File Explorer and select the file or folder you want to share. Right-click and choose Share. The Nearby Share option appears in the Share panel. This immediate step gets both discovery and the transfer UI ready so devices can pair quickly. With the file selected and Nearby Share open, pick the receiving laptop from the visible device list. Names show with signal strength. You'll see a pairing prompt on the other machine. Have the person accept. Make sure to select the transfer mode: battery saver for low power, balanced for normal use, or fast for quickest transfer over Wi-Fi direct. While transferring, keep devices unlocked and close to each other. Progress appears in the Share dialog and in notifications, so when the transfer completes, verify the file in the receiver's downloads or chosen folder. Open it to confirm integrity. If the transfer fails, retry and switch transfer mode. Fast often resolves interruptions. If devices aren't discovering each other, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are truly on, visibility remains enabled, and no firewall or VPN blocks local sharing. As a single troubleshooting tip, toggle Nearby Share off and on and restart Bluetooth. This often clears pairing issues and lets you attempt the share again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.